Hey, I'm Anton, the creator of OmegaCloud. Omega is a backend platform that gives you infrastructure and workflows to run your applications with zero hassle and maximum speed. Whether you're working on backend apps, scheduler jobs, or even AI assistants, Omega lets you deploy your app with just one click. No complex configurations, no endless menus, and even no admin panel required. So let's get into it. For this demo, I have a simple API app that I want to deploy in the cloud. This app has two endpoints. The first one returns a message from a file. The second one counts visits. Deploying this app on OmegaCloud is incredibly simple. I just type omega run. I confirm the auto-detected project type, pick the runtime, disk size, and within seconds, Omega spins up the environment and runs our app. Voila! Our app is live. The root endpoint returns the message from a file. The counter endpoint works as expected too. In the console, meanwhile, we can see live logs from our running app. We can safely stop them, and our app will keep running in the background. Need to transfer files between local machine and the cloud? Easy. Simply type omega sync. We see files that appeared in the cloud, and we can download them, and that's it, done. Finally, we're finished, and let's shut down our app by typing omega stop. Okay, we're done. So, in this demo you saw how OmegaCloud empowers developers to run their projects quickly and effortlessly. At Omega, our goal is to deliver the best user experience for modern backend, AI, and machine learning applications while staying truly framework agnostic and SDK independent. Want to try OmegaCloud? Click the link below. And I also invite you to check out our other videos where we dive into machine learning models, scheduling jobs, and more. Stay tuned.